sharing the screen. Just one moment. And here we go. As per you can see here, I previously logged into the python.org official site. And the first thing that you have to do is just go under downloads or release, click on this, scroll down, find these sections, release version, go for the Python 3.9.6 version, click onto download. For example, if you're using Windows, you can select it. And here just pay attention on the number of bits that you are going to select. This information could be found in your PC properties. So let's go by clicking with this, and after this, the package is going to be downloaded. Just open it, and a new window is going to be popping up, which is install Python window. The only thing that you have to do is just click on the continue button and agree if it's required, because I have already installed this. Just I'm going to skip it, but you can just, as per remember, just click on continue, agree. Okay. Once that you complete it, you can just execute it, and you are going to have the Python installed in your computer. The next thing that you have to do is just go to the JetBrains official site, which is www.jetbrains.com. Go under Developer Tools, select PyCharm, and then you are going to be redirected to this page. Just click on the download option. And once more, select the operating systems that you are going to be working on. In this case, once more, we have Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Just click into the one that you require. The professional and community versions are the options that you have to download. In this case, I go for the community version. Just download. After this, you are going to receive two or face two situations. The first is that the page is going to be refreshed and is going to request you some information, but it's not mandatory, so you just can ignore it and go to your file in your downloads. In this case, I'm going to discard because I have already installed PyCharm, but you can just keep it and select the directory where you want to store the application, open the application. This is the icon that you are going to see once that you install your PyCharm, and then just open. In this case, I have already opened.